Modding BioWare RPG games like Neverwinter Nights and have an ERF file? This is an entity resource archive. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through working with these BioWare entity resource files. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the ERF archive, even if it can't fully extract it. ERF files are entity resource files used by BioWare in games like Neverwinter Nights, Knights of the Old Republic, and Dragon Age. They contain compiled game resources, including models, textures, scripts, dialog, and module data, used by the game engine for content delivery, and modification packages distributed by the modding community. ERF files use a proprietary archive format developed by BioWare, storing multiple resource files with type identifiers and offsets. The format includes a header with resource counts and offsets followed by resource data sections, enabling efficient game asset loading and modular content distribution for BioWare's RPG game engines. The ERF file is widely endorsed for use with BioWare Neverwinter Nights, developed by BioWare. Windows cannot verify the file's internal manifest, preventing safe decompression. Windows shows only high-level details, so reading or editing game data depends on compatible tools. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the ERF file and choose Open With. Start with BioWare Neverwinter Nights if available. If not, select another application from the list. If your ERF file will not open, do not worry. When the file won't budge, the error is typically related to three simple things. Use the following checklist to quickly identify the issue that persists. First, extracting with NWN Tools. Use Neverwinter Nights Toolset utilities like ERF Editor or NWN Explorer to extract ERF contents. Download from NWN modding sites like Neverwinter Vault or Vortex. These tools open ERF archives displaying contained resources with options to extract individual files or complete archive contents for modification or analysis. Next, modding with BioWare Toolset. Install the official BioWare Toolset for the relevant game like Aurora Toolset for Neverwinter Nights. Launch the toolset and use the import or open function to load ERF files. The toolset provides full editing capabilities for game content, enabling creation and modification of game modules with integrated debugging tools. Finally, creating custom ERFs. Use ERF creation tools to package custom game content into ERF archives for distribution. Tools like ERF Pack or built-in toolset features create new ERFs from individual files. Document the custom content and dependencies for users who will install the modification in their game installations for optimal user experience. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.